be looking at some partial fractions in this video on a Thursday morning, okay? So express x plus 5 all over x plus 2 times x plus 3 in the form a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3. So this topic is called partial fractions, obviously done in year 13, so A-level maths. Okay, so it's when you have one singular fraction and you're splitting it into its components. Okay, so for example, obviously, like this is not very clear here. If I've got like the fraction a half, okay, I can split that into 1/4 plus 1/4, or I can use any combination. The answer I get is half. Okay, I can even do 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6. Okay. This will all give me a half key. So it's given the final answer and it's writing it back into its like component form. Okay, so yeah, given the answer but working backwards. So the process here, guys, is I'm gonna write it as x plus 5 all over x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, now this can be rewritten as as the question. Okay, in the form of okay, so I'm gonna put the 3 lines here for identical. A over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3, where a and b are just constants. Okay, so I'm now going to cross multiply, so I'm going to times all 3 sides. Okay, think of it like an equation of this identity here as x plus 2 times x plus 3. So we're going to get x plus 5 on the left hand side of my equation of identity. Okay, is identical to a lots of x plus 3 plus b lots of x plus 2. Okay, I'm going to let x equal to minus 2. So I'm going to have minus 2 plus 5 or add 5. Okay, to work out the value of a, okay, because when x is minus 2 here, that's going to eliminate b. That's going to be equal to a lots of minus 2 plus 3. Okay, tidying this up, guys, minus 2 plus 5 or add 5 makes 3 is equal to a lots of 1. So minus 2 plus 3 makes 1. So therefore a is equal to 3. Okay, happy days. So a is equal to 3. So that's going to be our first answer. And then how do I work out b, guys? Well, now I'm going to let x equal to minus 3 to eliminate a and work out b. So we're going to have minus 3 plus 5 or add 5 is equal to b lots of minus 3 plus 2, and minus 3 add 2 or plus 2 makes minus 1, so I have minus 1b or minus b is equal to minus 3 plus 5 makes 2, so therefore b is equal to minus 2. Okay, change the sign, so you obviously change sign on both sides, so we get that, and therefore b is equal to minus 2, okay, as our answer. Minus 2. Okay, there we go. Or I could put plus and then a minus here. You know, it doesn't really matter. But I'm gonna put a minus here just to avoid any confusion. Okay, 3 over x plus 2 minus 2 over x plus 3. And that, guys, is now written in partial fractions, and that would typically be worth 3 marks from a year 13 paper. So a full A-level paper from the Edexcel, OCR, or AQA exam board. Okay, and we're going to obviously use this here for integration, for differentiation, okay, for binomial expansion, binomial theorem. Okay, so many topics here this obviously feeds into. So it's very important here that you're happy with this topic here. It's quite a nice topic in my eyes. It can get a bit harder when we start here to have like squares. Okay, but as a rule of thumb, okay, that is what it's like when it's in a linear form. But I'll do some harder examples in the next few videos. Okay, thanks for watching.